Hello everyone, welcome back to Updates People TV, your number one spot for real stories, real people, and real updates from across Africa and beyond. Today we are diving into the life and fortune of one of Nigeria's youngest and most talked about billionaires, Blord, also known as Linus Williams.
Yeah. You just told me this morning we made 90 million. You made 90 million. I mean, that money is what we made in the week. Money doesn't excite me, I swear to God. Making 100 million is too much for me every week, so it doesn't excite me. You can break the news that we made 100 million this week. I said, okay, if we buy property, I will not live in a property. Which car will I drive? Not that excites me. Is it G-Wagon that I will drive? Same if you drive, you still can pack it. But the only thing that excites me is my family, my son. I get to carry my son, but money doesn't excite me because I think I've had enough. So, but anything if I'm leading up is just let me solve problem. Like what I'm doing now is to solve problem of blockchain fees for people. God is hearing me, money doesn't excite me. I manage my money very well. I don't get to wear expensive things, expensive watch. Yeah. Those things that is what eats people's money. Yeah. Because when you buy one chain, you like to buy another one. So then you can have collections. Those things will making you to look for more money because you want to upgrade. But me, I'm not like that. If I have a good house, I have a good car, those things are not my problem. Yeah. Currently, I'm building a church for my village. We're on roofing side and I want to build a church. So these are the things I just do. Money doesn't excite me, honestly.
Now, everything we'll share in this video is based on information already available on public domains, so sit back and let's unpack the facts together. Let's start with the big question everyone's been asking. How rich is Blord?
Which I'm putting on currently, because I can see you with the Katia. How much is the fit? Sorry.
This shoe I got it from one of my guy for 50,000 naira.
50,000 naira?
Yeah, 50k. It took cost.
No. No, as in for your big level though.
No,
that's crazy.
I have not worn any shoe more than less than 100,000. All my shoes are below 100k.
Okay, how much?
So according to public reports and his own revelation, Blord's net worth currently stands at a staggering $300 million US. That's right, $300 million. Blord himself, who many call the king of tech, recently disclosed this figure, confirming what many already suspected.
Can you actually tell me what your net worth is in dollars?
I would say
$300 million?
Yeah.
And can you tell me how you came up on that money? Was it a quick thing, or how did you actually make it?
Was it really quick? Good morning. Was it really quick thing? Let's go. It was a really quick thing. I would say it took about 8 years.
8 years to make that money?
Yeah, 8 years.
And how did you actually make that money?
Via crypto.
That is not just another internet personality flashing cars and cash, but a true business mogul with solid assets. From luxury properties to tech investment and multiple companies, Blord has built an empire that cuts across different industries, and honestly, for someone his age, that's nothing short of remarkable. Next up, how did Blord make his money? Now, this is where things get really interesting. Blord, whose full name is Linus Williams, did not just wake up one day as a billionaire. His journey began during his university days when he started dabbling in cryptocurrency trading. He learned how to buy and sell crypto at the right time, and when the market exploded, so did his earnings. But here's the smart part. He did not stop there. Instead of spending all of his profits, he diversified. He went on to co-found Billpoint Technology, a fast-rising fintech platform that allows users to pay bills, buy data, and carry out seamless transactions online.
I did my ticket, please. Abuja flight. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm late. You've taken off. For just 10 minutes? Yes, it's nothing I just know for on-time departure. What time is scheduled for our evening flight? You have an evening flight? Yes, we do.
Okay, let me book my Billpoint app now.
You see, you can book all your flights on the Billpoint app, both local and international. Now, I can fly with ease.
Over time, he invested in other ventures like Blord Jetpay, Blord Real Estate, and a few more under what is now known as the Blord Group. So yes, crypto was his foundation, but fintech and real estate became his pillars.
City of David is the what? So let me come and see my house. They don't tie the road. See that road where they tell now, come to the road. This is but you like it. See that road. City of David, Lagos 3.7. Come and see. Selling for 18 million. Let's go. 3 pence, 18 million. That roads were not as at 2 months ago when I went like the federal government. As I buy my S-Class finish, I say, I got let me see my investment. This investment, the Rolls Royce, where they decided to reach 12, is 7.8 billion naira investment. Come and see it. Let's Lagos. Let's go inside. Let me show you the properties that are first already. So if you look at here now, here is there's a street here. There's a street here. That's the estate gate. That is the express. Like this is the express. Then the other side is Lekki Expressway. Coming from this place, as you are paying 17.9 million, we just start fencing in it, and it's yours forever. Nothing concern this land again. Alright, so we want to start another set of fencing because I told you we are doing it set by set. 40, 40, 40. So we've done 40. This is a tip of sand. We are bringing more sands here for the next set of fencing. How Banana Island works. If you want to find land for where they don't build up, they build up money. This is the new Lagos. And call, let me show you. This is a 7.8 billion naira investment 1 year ago. Check how much it is now. Airport did there. Last month, yeah, now it is. Fort Mainland Bridge there. From Aja. So here now straight. Come and pay now. After this year, I go change price. Now my people they here, and they love me and I love them too.
Now, some people have been curious about his roots, so let's clear that up. Which village is Blord from? Blord or Linus Williams hails from Anambra State, Nigeria. Specifically, is from Umuji Benebe in Oka North local government area. He was born on March 14th, 1998. And despite all of his success, he still speaks proudly of his humble beginnings in Anambra. Many people from his community see him as an inspiration, proof that young Nigerians can make global impact, even from small towns. Alright, now let's talk tech. What apps are owned by Blord? If you think Blord only runs 1 or 2 businesses, think again. He's actually built an empire ecosystem of digital apps under the Blord Group. Here are a few of them. There is the Billpoint, a platform for bills and data payments. Then we have Jetpay, designed for crypto trading. JetPro helps people receive payments seamlessly. We have the BitShop, a safe space for holding cryptocurrency coins. Then there is Dollar, a global virtual card app for online transactions. Then, last but not the least, we have Famous, a social media related app aimed at influencers and digital creators. And that's not all. There are also some real estate and trading applications in development. Together, these platforms are part of Blord's vision to build a digital empire that touches almost every aspect of modern finance. Here's another question that comes up a lot. Is Blord a Forex trader? The answer is yes, but with a twist. While Blord is popularly known for his success in cryptocurrency, he's also active in Forex trading. However, he's primarily regarded as a crypto entrepreneur and businessman. His trading background, both in crypto and Forex, played a huge role in shaping his financial knowledge and risk management skills. It also helped him build the confidence to invest in larger business ventures like fintech companies and real estate development.
This is one of the most expensive estates in the whole of Southeast. You can make your research. If you are looking at the whole building, you are looking at 1 billion or 900 million.
Wow.
No, I had a massive growth between the time we met.
So yes, Blord trades Forex, but that's just one piece of a much bigger puzzle. Finally, let's talk about the brand behind the name. What is the Blord Group all about? Now you've been hearing Blord Group and wondering what it really means. Here's the breakdown. The Blord Group of companies is a multi-sector business organization that houses several subsidiaries including Blord Real Estate Limited, Blord Jetpay Limited, Billpoint Technology. In simple terms, the Blord Group is building technology solutions across multiple industries with the goal of creating a fully integrated tech-driven ecosystem in Africa. It's a mix of innovation, entrepreneurship, and vision, all rolled into one. So there you have it, the story of Blord, from a young university student trading crypto to becoming a $300 million tech mogul and the king of tech in Nigeria. Once again, all the details shared here are as seen on public domains. We are simply connecting the dots for our viewers on Update People TV. Now, what do you think about Blord's rise? Do you believe crypto and fintech are still the future of wealth creation in Africa? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching Update People TV, where we keep you informed, inspired, and updated. See you in the next one.
So we just, the estate is not far. It's 5 minutes away from here. I'm in Blord Avenue. This is my country home there. You understand? This is Blord Avenue. So look at the third road. Road is third. You go to third. Yes, sir. Come. Road is third. Yeah. Road is third. Third down. The estate is downside. Down. Look at my people. So well done, eh? So this Christmas we are coming. All of now, we're there here.
For the Blord. Yes, sir, bro.
They come collect rice. This one, come collect rice.
Yes, sir.
This one bag.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir, bro.